अस्सलाम वालेकुम। यूरोपियन हिस्ट्री का पेपर हम करने जा रहे हैं उसके MCQs। हमारे पास फर्स्ट MCQs था, व्हाट इवेंट मार्क द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन इन 1789? द स्टॉर्मिंग ऑफ द बेस्टाइल ऑफ द वाटरलू, द रेन ऑफ टेरर और नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन 1, द स्टॉर्मिंग ऑफ बेस्टाइल। सेकंड है द नेपोलियनिक कोड, अ comprehensive लीगल सिस्टम वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय नेपोलियन इन 1789, 1799, 1804 और नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन 3, 1804। 3 है which battle marked Napoleon's final defeat leading to his exile to Ireland in 1814? Battle of Austerlitz, Battle of Leipzig, Battle of Waterloo or none of these. Correct option है option 3, Battle of Waterloo. 4th है which major European power were the key participant in the concert of Europe? France, Russia, Spain, Britain, Austria, Prussia, Italy, Sweden, Ottoman Empire. None of these. Correct option है option 2, Britain, Austria and Prussia. 5th है which political ideology was endorsed by the concert of the Europe as a means of preserving the existing order in the Europe? First है liberalism, second है conservatism, third है socialism और fourth है none of these. Correct option है option 2, conservatism. 6th है the industrial revolution characterized by the technological advancement and the shift to mechanized production primarily began in which country during the early 19th century? Option है France, 2 है Germany, 3 है UK, 4th है none of these. Correct option है option 2, 3 UK. 7th है what political ideology emphasizing individuals' right, representative governments and rule of law gained prominence in the wake of Napoleonic era? First है conservatism, second है liberalism, third है nationalism, fourth है none of these. Correct option है option 2, liberalism. 8th है what was the Eastern question in 19th century European politics? First है the status quo of Ottoman Empire and its territorial integrity. Second है the balance of power in Central Europe. Third है the influence of Austria in the Balkans. Fourth है none of these. Correct option है option 1, the status of Ottoman Empire and its territorial integrity. 9th है the Treaty of Paris 1856 which ended the Crimean War, aimed at strengthening the Ottoman Empire, weakens Russia's influence in Balkan Sea, establish a balance of power in Balkans. None of these. Correct option हमारे पास है strengthening the Ottoman Empire, option 1. 10th है the expedition of the Thousands, a crucial event of Italian unification, was led by Giuseppe Mazzini, Camillo Cavar, Giuseppe Garibaldi or none of these. Correct option है option 3, Giuseppe Garibaldi. 11th है the North German Confederation, a precursor of German Empire, was led by the dominance of which German state? Bavaria, Prussia, Saxony or none of these. Correct option है option 2, Prussia. 12th है the Franco-Prussian War played a crucial role in final stage of German unification. What significant event occurred in this year? The Siege of Paris, the Battle of Leipzig, the Treaty of Tilsit or none of these. Correct option है option 1, the Siege of Paris. 13th है the alliance system that contributed to the escalation of First World War included which major alliance? Triple Entente allies and Central Powers, Triple Alliance and Entente Cordial, Axis Powers and Allies or none of these. Correct option है option 1, Triple Entente and Central Powers. 14th है the ultimatum delivered by Austria to Serbia after the assassination of Archduke in 1914 contained what controversial demand? Serbian recognition of Austrian sovereignty, Serbian military occupation of Serbia, Serbian involvement in assassination plot or none of these. Correct option है option 3, Serbian involvement in the assassination plot. 15th है what treaty led to Russia's withdrawal from World War I? Treaty of Brest-Litovsk, Treaty of Versailles, Treaty of Trianon or none of these. Correct option है option 1, Treaty of Brest-Litovsk. 16 है which Eastern European country was led by Marshal Joseph who established as authoritarian regime in the interwar period characterized by his Senation policies? First है Hungary, second है Poland, third है Romania, fourth है none of these. Correct option है option 2, Poland. 17th है Operation Barbarossa, launched by Nazi Germany in 1941, was military campaign directed against which country? France, Soviet Union, UK or none of these. Correct option है option 2, सोवियत यूनियन। 18 है हु वाज नोन एज डेजर्ट फॉक्स ड्यूरिंग द वर्ल्ड वॉर टू? इरविन रोमल, पॉल वोन हिंडेलबर्ग, मैनफ्रेड वोन रिचेस्टोफन और नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन 1 इरविन रोमल। 19 है द मार्शल प्लान aimed to make economic assistance to war-torn European countries. Which country proposed and led this plan? US, Soviet Union, UK or none of these? Correct option है option 1 US. Last है the division of Germany into East and West was direct consequence of the Yalta Conference, the Potsdam Conference, the Tehran Conference or none of these? Correct option है option 2 the Potsdam Conference. ये था हमारा यूरोपियन हिस्ट्री का MCQs। तो इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट बार मुलाकात होती है। अल्लाह हाफिज़।